Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Spotify app suddenly stops playing music, no sound, song stuck loading, or playback just refusing to start, don't worry. This is one of the most common Spotify issues, and today I'll walk you through a foolproof way to fix it step by step. By the end of this video, your Spotify should be running smoothly again. So, let's get right into it. First, let's open the Spotify app on your device. Once it's open, take a look at the left sidebar. This is where you'll find your key sections like Home, Search, and your library. Now, to start troubleshooting, we'll head over to your profile. In the top right corner of the Spotify window, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. A small drop-down menu will appear. This is where all your personal app options are located. Next, from that menu, select Settings. This will open up all of Spotify's app-specific options, including playback, privacy, and storage. These are important because many performance issues, like songs not playing, are often related to cache buildup or playback settings. Now, here's where the magic happens. We'll clear Spotify's cache. Scroll down the settings page until you find the storage section. You'll see how much space Spotify's cache is currently taking up. The cache is basically a collection of temporary files that help Spotify run faster, but over time, it can get overloaded and cause playback problems. Tap on Clear Cache. Spotify will show a quick warning message saying that temporary files will be removed. Don't worry, this won't delete your downloaded songs or playlists. Just click Clear Cache again to confirm. Once it's done, you've successfully cleared your Spotify cache. At this point, restart your Spotify app. Simply close it completely and open it again. Try playing a song and you'll likely notice that the playback issue is gone. If the problem still persists, make sure your internet connection is stable and also check if Spotify needs an update. Outdated versions can sometimes cause playback errors too. And that's it. Your Spotify app should now be playing music smoothly again. Clearing the cache and checking your settings usually fixes most playback issues in minutes. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and drop a comment below if you have any other Spotify problems you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.